Winter is here, and while we love cozy sweaters and hot cocoa, let's face it, our skin often struggles during this season. Dryness, flakiness, and that tight feeling can make us feel less confident. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll guide you through a complete step-by-step winter skincare routine designed to keep your skin hydrated, glowing, and oh so soft. From choosing the right cleanser to sealing in moisture, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Cleanse without stripping. The first step is cleansing, but winter skin needs a gentle approach. Choose a hydrating cleanser with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. These lock in moisture while removing dirt and makeup. Foam cleansers may feel refreshing, but in winter they can strip the skin. Instead, opt for cream or gel-based cleansers. When cleansing, use lukewarm water, not hot water. I know hot showers feel amazing, but they can actually worsen dryness by stripping your skin's natural oils. Massage your cleanser in gentle circular motions for 60 seconds. This ensures every pore gets cleaned without damaging the skin barrier. Remember, the goal is to clean and hydrate, not to squeak. Step 2. Exfoliate the right way. Exfoliation is key, even in winter, but overdoing it can harm dry skin. Use a gentle chemical exfoliant like lactic acid once or twice a week to slough off dead skin cells. Why chemical exfoliants? Unlike harsh scrubs, they penetrate deeper and leave your skin smoother without causing micro tears. To apply, use a cotton pad or just your clean hands, gently pressing the exfoliant into your skin. Avoid sensitive areas like your eyes. This step preps your skin to absorb all the goodness from the next steps. Step 3. Hydrating toner or essence. Next, let's quench your skin's thirst with a hydrating toner or essence. Look for products with humectants like glycerin, aloe vera, or hyaluronic acid. These draw water into your skin and make it plump and dewy. Apply the toner using a patting motion. No rubbing. The warmth of your hands helps the product absorb better. My pro tip, layer the toner 2 to 3 times for an extra boost of hydration. This is called the 7 skin method in K-Beauty, but don't worry, you don't have to do it 7 times. Step 4. The power of serums. Serums are like magic potions for your skin. For winter, go for a serum packed with hyaluronic acid or peptides. These target dehydration and strengthen the skin's barrier. Vitamin C serums are also great for a radiant glow, but if your skin is sensitive, alternate it with hydrating serums. Take 2 to 3 drops of the serum and press it into your skin. Don't forget your neck. It's just as important. Give it a minute to sink in before moving to the next step. Let the serum work its magic. Step 5. Lock it in with moisturizer. Now comes the most important step, moisturizing. Look for a rich cream with ingredients like ceramides, shea butter, or squalane. These create a barrier to lock in hydration and protect your skin from the harsh winter air. Take a pea-sized amount and dot it all over your face and neck. Massage it gently in upward strokes to encourage circulation and prevent sagging. For extra hydration, try slugging. A thin layer of petroleum jelly or a balm on top of your moisturizer at night. This seals everything in, especially if you sleep in a heated room. Step 6. Don't skip sunscreen. Even though it's winter, UV rays can still damage your skin. A good sunscreen is non-negotiable, no matter the season. Go for SPF 30 or higher, and if you're outdoors in the snow, reapply every 2 hours. Snow reflects UV rays, making sun damage even more likely. Take a generous amount and apply it all over your face, neck, and any exposed areas. Look for formulas with added hydration to keep your skin comfortable all day. Step 7. Bonus tips for extra hydration. 1. 1. Use a humidifier in your room to combat dryness caused by indoor heating. 2. Drink plenty of water. Hydration starts from the inside out. 3. Add facial oils as the last step of your routine for a dewy glow. Also, don't forget your lips. Use a hydrating lip balm with SPF during the day and a thick balm or mask at night. And there you have it, your ultimate glowing winter skincare routine. By following these steps, you'll say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to a radiant complexion. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to this routine every day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs winter skincare advice, and subscribe for more beauty secrets like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.